Lucy.
Yeah.
Lucy?
Woohoo, we're off the ship.
I could really use a change of scenery. Yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery. Yeah. Close the matches they were handed down to me, but I'm still fly. I'm still fly. I'm still fly. Let's go. It could all be worse. I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Pills to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you. From the inside out. So right now, say it with your chest now. Say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to run it out.
Do you think this is all in bloom in the summer? Oh, shut up.
All in bloom.
All in bloom? Nearly trips over then.
Ukraine? UK? Sorry? United? New York? New York?
So we have come up into the mountains in Grand Canaria, and it is honestly like absolutely stunning. And I believe we're going to try coffee and wine. To be honest, I have no idea what we're doing. I just saw that there was an opportunity to get off the ship, and I picked it. But yeah, people have said that there's coffee and wine and cheese, and I like all of those things. Okay, so apparently this is water that has been filtered through the rocks. So it's full of minerals and vitamins. It tastes like iron. But if it's good for me, I'll drink it.
It comes from the volcanic rock. They used to go for this water.
Everyone's like, this
Very
is
good for
gross.
the skin, bones, and digestion.
Me gusta agua.
Our three main products on the plantation are the oranges, the coffee, and the grapes for the wine. So from here down the way we have the orange crop, and we have around 1,100 orange trees here. So once we finish with oranges in winter, in spring we start with coffee. These are coffee plants down here. Here you can see the fruits there starting to ripen. So we just started the season now in March. It comes to an end round about May, June. These fruits, we call them cherries. When they ripen, they go all red on the outside. Inside of each cherry, there are usually always 2 coffee beans. The only type of coffee that we cultivate on this plantation, typical Arabic.
It's all very interesting. So now, as she said, we're going to go down and see how they dry the coffee beans.
So we have some different layers of skin to take off. After drying, we get left with this brown black layer on the outside. On the inside there is another layer like this, very similar to a peanut, called the parchment layer. Underneath this layer we have the coffee bean. So this is what we get left with in the end. You can now see why the 7 kilos that we collect then becomes 1.
Just say it with with your chest now. Say it with your
Amazing,
chest
thank
now.
you.
I'm free.
Can you imagine waking up to this every morning?
Here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time. It's my time to ride it. I'm young. I'm free. Can't nobody take me. Here and now. It's my time to
Where are we going now, Dennis? You wish. We're not going home just yet. Smells like wine. Yeah. Smells like alcohol.
It smells like happiness. The big rock, it fell down from the top of the mountain around 200 years ago. It stopped like this with this sort of cave area underneath. The stone, it goes right back. Also, it goes into the next two rooms. And is also the reason we call La Finca, the plantation, La Laja. This is a volcanic stone. When we cut the stone, it always leaves a flat shape, and this is where the word Laja comes from. This wine, it has tropical aromas, mango, guava, and passion fruit.
Time for the dating. Thank you. Oh, sorry.
Try the coffee. Smell it first.
Smell it
Bitter, right? How you drink coffee?
Okay,
no
show me.
sugar, no milk, nothing, just the coffee.
How is it? Bitter?
Bitter, yeah.
That's really nice, actually. Cheers. I can never get my camera out fast enough. Sake.
What is this bread?
Lo que sé que no debo es pensar en ti, bebé, pero cuando bebo. Music video. Dime dónde tú estás, pero cuando cojo un vuelo, yo ahora no quiero, porque sé que no debo pensar en ti, bebé, pero cuando bebo, me viene con una cara, tú dices tu pelo. Okay, so we have left the plantation and now we have driven for a bit and we're going to a shop of some sort.
Can you see on your right? Can you see the hole? Okay. It was a crater. It's not a typical crater in the top of the mountain. It's a crater on one side of the mountain.
So I have just got to my cabin after going out on that amazing tour. It was so lovely because when I think of Grand Canaria, I think of like Brits abroad, British people abroad, but oh my god, the north where we went today is just incredible. Like those views were just spectacular, and I mean the coffee wasn't great, the wine was great. Wish we'd have had more of that, but no, it was just so lovely to have a walk around and just to see something new. And then afterwards we went to the beach and like the harbour and just had a walk around there. So really, really, really good. So I have work this evening. It is now 5. I start work at 8 or 7:45. So I want to go and have a nap. I want to have a nap, but I'm going to force myself to go to the gym because we don't finish till 11 tonight, and I'm not going to want to go to the gym after work. So I'm going to go to the gym now, and then I'm going to go to work, and then I'm going to sleep like a baby tonight, hopefully.
Fools drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
So I just got back from the gym and had a shower and put some makeup on, and now I'm going to get ready for work. I'm going to go for dinner and then go to work, but work's only like 3 hours tonight, so it's fine. But yeah, today has been wonderful. It was so good to get off. I honestly feel like a new person just because I was able to get off the ship and have a walk and see something new and learn something new. So I feel really good. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, then please give it a like and also leave a comment. If you have any questions or suggestions for videos, then you can leave them down in the comments or DM me over on Instagram at Cruising as Crew. I do try and get back to absolutely everyone, but if it takes me a while, just bear with me because there is a lot of you now, which is great. But I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day, whatever you choose to do, and I will see you in the next video, guys.